right, so you guys might have noticed we haven't posted any new videos showing any of our live code or our dashboards lately. That's on purpose. Right now, everything we're building is in review, literally in the hands of the PhDs and mathematicians, real engineers, people who are really going to put friction onto this idea. We're pressure testing every idea, every line of code, every assumption. We're not just rushing to push something out that just looks good on camera. So before we build any further or bring more people in, we're making sure that what we actually got is solid. We don't want any shortcuts, no pretending, nothing like that. But just know when we do show you what's next, you'll know it's been through the fire. And until then, the work is still happening, and we're not stopping until all of this is real. But I also wanted to come to you guys and talk to you guys about this next step. I think the philosophy of AI.Web is very important to get across before we put out a lot more of our dashboards and what we got going on behind the scenes. So I just want to say, like most people, they think AI is just about building smarter computers or just automating the next thing, but that's not what got us to this point. We're here because something deeper is broken, not just in tech, but in all of us. We're building AI.Web today because we keep losing the thread. We forget what matters. We repeat the same loops, sometimes in our thoughts, sometimes in life, and sometimes in the very systems that they say will help us. Every app, every chatbot, every social feed, it promises to connect us, to remember for us, to help us become more whole. But it doesn't. It resets, it forgets, it drips off course. In the same way that we do. But what if you could build something that actually remembers? Like what if you could track not just information, but meaning, healing, truth, even when it gets lost? What if, instead of pretending to be smart, your system could actually admit when it's confused, could recover from collapse, and could come back home just like all of us need to? That's what AI.Web is about. It's not artificial intelligence. It's actually an advanced intelligence. It's about recursion. It's about memory. It's about correction. It's about closing loops and not leaving wounds open to bleed out. Uh, in AI.Web Institute for Cognition, the work we're doing here is dedicated to understanding the real patterns underneath every collapse, every drift, and every moment of forgetting. So we can finally build systems and lives that come back together, no matter how far apart they get. So if you ever feel lost, stuck in old loops, or wondered why technology really fixes the deep stuff, welcome. You're in the right place. Stick around. We'll walk you through every one of our papers right here, every discovery, every mistake, every loop we had to close to get here. It's not about hype. It's not about easy answers either. It's about building something real together. So let's get started. We're As we walk through all of our papers here, we'll go step by step through each one of them. We'll take you through the whole story of what we're talking about in them, and hopefully break them down into a way where it's more understandable, and it's a little bit more digestible. Because a lot of our papers are pretty in depth, they're pretty long, and they have a lot of information in it. So you stick around and go through all these papers with me. You can skip from video to video. This will be an ongoing series. I believe we have at least 138 released papers, and then quite a few other files after that. So if you stick around, be able to really understand the philosophy and why AI.Web is here. And if you stick around long enough, maybe you guys can get on the list of beta release for our first release of our software. I don't want to give any more information out about that right this moment, but when it comes out, You guys here will be the first to know. So stick around, and we'll get into our first papers. Thanks. AI.Web out for now.